Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we would learn about a unique option strategy known as the Batman trade. It can be initiated either by using ratio call spread and ratio put spread or by using bull call ladder and bear put ladder. But before going into the details, let's first learn about ratio credit spreads and ladders. First, about ratio credit spreads. A ratio credit spread is initiated by selling two or more out of the money naked options, either calls or puts, and using part of the premium collected to buy a close to or at the money option. All options are for the same underlying asset and expiration date. The trade should usually be done for a credit, that is, the premium received from the sold options should be greater than the price paid for the bought option. The bought option enhances your ability to profit more, while also providing protection to the sold options. The maximum profit is attained when the price of the underlying asset is between the strike prices of the long and short options. This is because the sold options would expire out of the money while the bought option would expire in the money. The ratio credit spread helps you to stay in the trade longer as it is able to withstand and overcome adverse market conditions. Also, it allows you to make adjustments if the trade moves against you. The loss potential is unlimited when the price of the underlying asset exceeds the break-even point. Now to ladders. A bull call ladder is initiated by buying a close to or at the money call, selling an out of the money call, and selling a further out of the money call. A bear put ladder is initiated by buying a close to or at the money put, selling an out of the money put, and selling a further out of the money put. The trade should usually be done for a credit, that is, the premium received from the sold option should be greater than the price paid for the bought option. All options are for the same underlying asset and expiration date. The maximum profit is attained when the price of the underlying asset is between the two short strikes. Ladders can be seen as an extension to the vertical spreads. The additional naked option lowers the cost and gives us a better break-even point. The loss potential is unlimited when the price of the underlying asset exceeds the break-even point. When you combine a bull call ladder and a bear put ladder, or a ratio credit spread with calls and a ratio credit spread with puts, the result is the Batman trade. When done with the ladders, it has 6 legs, and when done with the ratio credit spreads, it has 4 legs. The strategy can be seen as a direction neutral strategy, as you are not taking a directional bias. Let us look at a sample trade. Nifty is at 99.02 on June 11, 2020. The Batman trade using ladders can then be entered as follows. Sell one lot of 18th June 9700 strike price put at 85.75. Sell one lot of 18th June 9800 strike price put at 120. Buy one lot of 18th June 9900 strike price put at 163.1. Buy one lot of 18th June 9900 strike price call at 157.5. Sell one lot of 18th June 10,000 strike price call at 112. Sell one lot of 18th June 10,100 strike price call at 76. Now let's look at the risk graph of the Batman trade using ladders. It is clear from the risk graph that the maximum profit at expiry is Rs 12,986 and there are two break-even points at expiry, one at 95.27 and the other at 10,273. The Batman trade using ratio credit spreads can be entered as follows. Sell two lots of 18th June 9700 strike price puts at 85.75. Buy one lot of 18th June 9900 strike price put at 163.1. Buy one lot of 18th June 9900 strike price call at 157.5. Sell two lots of 18th June 10,050 strike price calls at 93.95. Now let's look at the risk graph of the Batman trade using ratio credit spreads. The strategy got its name from the shape of its risk graph. which resembles the Batman old logo. It is clear from the risk graph that the maximum profit at expiry is Rs 17,910, and there are two break-even points at expiry, one at 94.61 and the other at 10,239. Now let's compare the two versions. The capital and margin required is the same for both the strategies. The probability of profit too is the same for both the strategies. It is about 60%, which is considered good. The maximum profit at expiry is more for the ratio spreads version, while the initial credit received is more for the ladders version. The maximum loss potential for both the versions is unlimited. Some recommendations. It is recommended to initiate the strategy on weekly options, as less the number of days you are in the trade, the better. Also, time decay would be in your favor. Initiate the trade on Monday for Thursday expiration options. Check the liquidity of the options you wish to trade before initiating the trade, as you need to execute all the legs simultaneously, that is, at the same time. The Batman trade is an advanced option strategy and needs active management. Hence, it is not recommended for beginners in options trading. Now let's look at how to manage a troubled position. Close the naked position when the underlying goes beyond the break-even point. You can also consider either roll down or up, or roll out and down or up the naked option depending on which side is tested. That is, if the call side is tested, you can either roll up or roll out and up the naked option. If the put side is tested, then you can either roll down or roll out and down the naked option. You can also consider moving the untested side close to the current underlying price to increase the credit received. Increasing the credit received pushes the break-even point farther away on the tested side of the trade. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.